Welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a noodle pasta boilers. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this pot, the diameters, they are about like a 17.5 inches. And the overall heights, they are about like a 16 inches tall. As we can see, the units, they come in with the two indicator lights at the front. They notify you the running and the temperatures. And also they come in with a big lids on top of it. You can remove it. And the two handlebars on the side of the units. And for the units, they come in with the 220 power plugs. Single phase 220 power. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. As we can see the units, they come in with a 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So the manufacturer give us about like a 4 baskets. They all come in with the handlebars. For these baskets, they are about like a 5.5 inches wide. And about like a 5.5 inches deep too. When we remove this top, we can see they have a big space for the waters boiling inside. The inner posts will be about like a 15.5 inches for the diameters. And the overall heights, they are about like 8 inches. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.